wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella shit.
I hated this part of the race.
I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I
All right, halfway there. 3 down, 3 to go. Going through Oakland now. Hopefully, it'll be mostly downhill from here. Don't know if I'm going to stay as seated this year. Don't know how that happened. Especially when you run a whopping 11-minute mile. Alright, thanks, man. Oh, looky here. Back where we started, 12 minutes.
I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be. I just wish I had seen.
Alright, we get the final turn. The slowest seated person is about to finish. I don't know how I got to be conceited. Because I have a camera to be conceited? I have no idea why a dude who runs a 12-minute mile was considered seated. Passed up the 12-minute mile person. About 2 miles back, so hopefully we're at 11, maybe even 10. Just like in high school, you're ready for the kick. Do I still have it in me? 55, can I still get the kick? Can I make the kick? Oh man. Alright, read the cameraman. Return to work. Alright, it gets loud now. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, here we go. Alright, that kick was stupid. I did it, but man, am I hurting. I am hurting, but I did it. Alright, time for the medal. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you.